Good afternoon and welcome to WPNN. My name is Camilla.
And my name is Bree, and it's an outstanding day to be a Panther.
Today in sporting news, our boys and girls tennis team will travel to Sebastian River today and their matches will begin at 2:30 p.m.
Our boys JV baseball team will travel to Titusville High School today. Their game will begin at 6 o'clock p.m.
The girls JV softball team will play a home game today against Palm Bay High at 5:15.
Following this JV game, the girls varsity team will also compete against Palm Bay, and this game will be at 7:15 p.m.
Lots of luck to all our Panther sports team today.
Panthers, do you need volunteer hours? Well, the downtown Melbourne is still to announce the upcoming 2024 Trash Bash event, and we want you to be a part of it.
Together with Keep Brevard Beautiful, the City of Melbourne, Space Coast Run Professionals, and the Melbourne Regional Chamber, they are gearing up to beautify downtown Melbourne like never before.
This event will be on Saturday, April 6th, and the time will be from 8 o'clock a.m. to 12 o'clock p.m.
Volunteer spaces are limited, so sign up today to reserve your spot. Together, let's make a record-breaking impact by picking up litter from our roadways and alleys.
To sign up, visit this website.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue!